How to delete Instagram posts on PC. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can delete Instagram posts on PC. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, this video is for those people who can't delete the Instagram posts on their PC. Some people can, some people can't. It depends on you. But if you are one of those people that can, all you have to do is just usually you come over here and click on the post and click on the three buttons, and usually it has the delete button. But if for some reason you can, what you want to do is click on these three dots at the top right corner, come down over here and on more tools, and then click on developer tools. And over here, you have the toggle device toolbar. What this will allow you to do is if you click on it, it will allow you to change the orientation. So now if you click on the dimensions, you can choose whichever phone you want. So over here, iPad, mini, Samsung, Pixel, iPhone 14 Pro Max, 12 Pro, whatever. So if you select the iPhone 12 Pro, it will tell Instagram that, hey, you know what I am on right now is an iPhone 12. So give me the resolution and options for the iPhone. So right now it's on iPhone. So if I click on the post and I click on three dots, now I can see that I have the delete option as well. So this is the second method. If for some reason you can't find the three dots before, well, you can now. So then just simply click on delete post, and your post should be deleted. There you go, post deleted. Now if we reload, you will see that the post is gone. So that is how you do it. That is how you delete posts on Instagram on your PC. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.